In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Woocommerce product images efficiently in just under 5 minutes. If you've been struggling with getting your product images onto your Woocommerce store, then stick around as I guide you through this straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. This is your main hub for managing your WordPress account and website. Once on the home page, you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click it. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your account. This will bring you into your WordPress dashboard, an essential tool for managing your online store and making edits to your site, including adding product images to Woocommerce. Now that you're in your WordPress dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on Woocommerce in the left-hand sidebar. This section contains all you need to manage your store, from products to orders and settings. After you click on Woocommerce, you'll be directed to a section where you can access all your products. Next up, click on All Products. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the products currently on your website. But don't worry if it looks a little overwhelming. This is merely your inventory's way of saying hello. To proceed with importing the product images, you'll want to focus your attention on the top area of the page where you'll find an Import button. Click on Import. This option is crucial because it's dedicated to making the process of adding images and other data to your store as smooth as possible. Once you hit Import, you'll typically be prompted to upload a CSV file. If you're not familiar with this, a CSV file is a simple file format used to store tabular data, like a spreadsheet. It should contain all the image URLs you want to upload linked to their respective products. You can create this file in a program like Excel or Google Sheets, and it's the key to quickly importing images in bulk. Ensure that each image URL corresponds correctly to its product for a hassle-free import. Importing your images this way not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency across your product catalog. Remember, while you're importing, double-check that every product ID in your CSV file matches exactly with the one in your Woocommerce store. Any mismatch could result in images not appearing where you want them to. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you can import your Woocommerce product images swiftly and stress-free. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your e-commerce prowess. See you next time.